In this video, learn how to create a fully functional website using AI-powered tools in just 5 minutes. No coding skills required. We'll walk you through selecting AI-driven website builders, customizing templates, and publishing your site with minimal effort. Perfect for beginners and small businesses looking to launch a website quickly and efficiently. Watch and get your site live today. Efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up developers for more strategic work. Personalization. AI tailors websites to individual users' preferences, enhancing engagement. Optimization. AI analyzes data to improve website performance and search engine ranking. Time-consuming. Traditional website building involves multiple steps like coding, designing, and testing, which can take weeks, or even months. Technical expertise. It often requires specialized skills in web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Limited flexibility. Traditional website builders often lack customization options, making it difficult to create unique designs. Traditional website building methods often involve complex coding and design skills, leading to time-consuming and tedious processes. However, the emergence of AI-powered website builders is revolutionizing the way websites are created. These platforms leverage artificial intelligence to automate many aspects of website development, making the process faster, more efficient, and accessible to a wider audience, including those with limited technical expertise. Idea generation. AI analyzes your brand and audience to suggest innovative design concepts. Layout and structure. Smart algorithms create responsive layouts that work perfectly across all devices. Content creation. AI tools generate and optimize text, images, and videos for your website. AI analyzes user devices to optimize for different screen sizes. AI predicts how users will interact and adjusts the layout accordingly. AI dynamically adapts layouts for various orientations and resolutions. Website descriptions. Generate compelling descriptions of your products and services that resonate with your target audience. Blog posts and articles. Create engaging and informative content for your blog that attracts visitors and drives traffic. Social media content. Craft captivating social media posts that capture attention and drive engagement. AI can effortlessly integrate multimedia elements like videos, images, and audio into your website, enhancing user engagement and conveying information effectively. AI-powered tools automate the optimization and formatting of multimedia content, ensuring a seamless user experience. Keyword research. AI analyzes search data to identify relevant keywords and predict user intent. Content optimization. AI algorithms can generate optimized content that resonates with search engines and users. Technical SEO. AI tools automate tasks like sitemap generation and broken link analysis, improving website crawlability. Tailored content. AI analyzes user behavior to deliver relevant content and recommendations, improving engagement. Targeted marketing. AI-powered marketing campaigns reach the right audience with personalized messages. Enhanced user journeys. AI optimizes user experiences based on individual preferences and behavior patterns. AI-powered mockups. Generate multiple website designs in seconds based on your input and preferences. Instant feedback and iteration. Receive real-time feedback on your designs and make adjustments quickly. A/B testing with AI. Optimize your website for conversions by testing different design elements. Scalability and flexibility to handle growing traffic. Secure storage and accessibility of your data. Seamlessly connect with other tools and platforms. Product recommendations. AI can analyze customer data to suggest relevant products, boosting sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. Personalized shopping experiences. AI personalizes website content, offers, and promotions based on individual customer preferences. Fraud detection. AI algorithms identify suspicious transactions and prevent fraud, ensuring secure online commerce. Personalized content. AI can analyze user data to tailor content, improving relevance and engagement. Automated updates. AI can monitor and update content automatically, ensuring freshness and accuracy. Content optimization. AI can suggest improvements to content based on data and best practices, enhancing performance. Automated updates. AI-powered tools can automatically update plugins, themes, and security patches, eliminating manual tasks. Proactive monitoring. AI can monitor website performance, identify potential issues, and suggest solutions before they impact users. Content optimization. AI can analyze website content, suggest improvements for SEO and user experience, and streamline content updates. AI-powered analytics tools provide instant insights into user behavior, website performance, and trends. As shown in the graph above, implementing AI analytics can lead to steady improvements in both traffic and conversion rates over time. These AI-powered insights enable data-driven decision-making, helping you optimize your website continuously. The system can identify patterns and anomalies that might be missed by traditional analytics, leading to more effective optimization strategies and better ROI. Personalized interactions. AI chatbots can provide tailored responses and recommendations based on user preferences. 24/7 availability. AI chatbots are always available to answer questions and assist users, even outside of business hours. Improved customer service. AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. Global reach. Reach a wider audience by translating your website into multiple languages. Enhanced user experience. Provide a localized experience for users who prefer to browse in their native language. Increased conversions. Boost sales and engagement by catering to diverse language preferences. Automated captioning. AI-powered transcription services enable real-time captioning for videos, making content accessible to the deaf and hard of hearing. Alternative text generation. AI can automatically generate descriptive alt text for images, enhancing accessibility for screen readers and visually impaired users. Dynamic content adaptation. AI can dynamically adjust website content, such as font size, color contrast, and layout, to suit individual user preferences and accessibility needs. AI-powered threat detection. AI algorithms can analyze real-time traffic patterns to identify suspicious activities and potential threats, providing proactive protection against malicious attacks. Automated vulnerability scanning. AI can automate security audits, identifying vulnerabilities in website code and configuration, enabling faster remediation and improved security posture. Intelligent firewall management. AI-powered firewalls can adapt to evolving threats and learn from previous attacks, dynamically adjusting security rules to block malicious traffic. Streamlined communication. AI-powered tools enable real-time collaboration among designers, developers, and stakeholders. Automated tasks free up valuable time for creative and strategic endeavors. AI-driven project management tools optimize workflows. AI analyzes user behavior, identifying patterns and areas for improvement. Automated A/B testing helps determine optimal design elements and content. continuously adapting to user preferences, leading to higher conversions and engagement. 100K requests. AI-powered websites can handle up to 100,000 simultaneous requests per second. 99.99% uptime. AI ensures high uptime with automated scaling and load balancing. AI ensures high uptime with automated scaling and load balancing. Continuous improvement. AI-powered website evolution. User feedback. AI analyzes user behavior and feedback to identify areas for improvement. Performance optimization. AI optimizes website performance for speed, loading times, and user experience. Content updates. AI suggests relevant content updates based on user engagement and search trends. Design adjustments. AI identifies design elements that hinder user experience and recommends adjustments. Automation. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up developers for more complex work. Optimization. AI identifies bottlenecks and inefficiencies, leading to optimized code and improved performance. Efficiency. AI tools reduce the time needed for design, development, and testing, resulting in faster project completion. Personalized experiences. AI allows you to create tailored user experiences based on individual preferences and browsing history. Data-driven insights. AI analyzes user behavior to identify trends, optimize content, and improve website performance. Automated optimization. AI constantly fine-tunes website elements for better search engine ranking and user engagement. Accessibility. AI-powered website builders offer intuitive interfaces and require no coding knowledge. Efficiency. Non-technical users can quickly create professional-looking websites. Innovation. Businesses can leverage AI to build websites without relying on developers. AI will reshape website creation, automating complex tasks and empowering non-technical users. Expect a seamless and intuitive experience, with AI handling design, content generation, and optimization. AI-powered websites are transforming industries across the globe. Companies are leveraging AI to personalize experiences, automate tasks, and improve customer satisfaction. From e-commerce giants to healthcare providers, the adoption of AI is driving innovation and growth. E-commerce. AI drives personalized product recommendations, tailored search results, and automated marketing campaigns. Healthcare. AI enables virtual assistants for patient care, intelligent diagnostics, and secure data management. Finance. AI powers fraud prevention systems, risk assessments, and personalized financial advice. Data privacy and user consent are paramount when utilizing AI for website personalization. AI algorithms can perpetuate existing societal biases, so it's vital to address and mitigate them. Website users should be informed about how AI is used and have the option to opt out. AI is revolutionizing the way we build websites, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. By automating tasks, generating content, and optimizing for user experience, AI empowers both developers and non-technical users to create stunning and successful websites.